Hot foil stamping or digital foiling? Traditional or digital embellishments? There's only one way to find out. Follow me to take a closer look. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. While most designers these days are familiar with the pros and cons of digital printing, few know much at all about digital finishing techniques. Attendees of our PaperSpecs Live Design Conference received a crash course in the strength and limitations of today's cutting-edge digital as well as traditional techniques, all in the most unlikely of places, the humble name badge. Designed by Fizz Agency and produced by Classic Color and LPI, this piece is actually two creations in one. The backside, offset printed on Sappi Spectro C1S stock, consists solely of digital embellishments, including cast and cure holographic effects that shimmer when the badge is moved, and multi-layered raised patterns provided by LPI using a Scodix digital polymer-based embellishment system. One of the most remarkable aspects of digital finishing? No dies are needed. Not only does this spare you the extra expense and added turnaround time dies require, but it also means that adjustments can be made on the fly. So where does this leave traditional embellishments like embossing or debossing? Let's turn the badge around and find out. Here you'll find the identical artwork created by Chicago artist and a live conference speaker Alyssa Lowe, which allows you to accurately compare traditional and digital techniques. Offset printed in neon pink on Mohawk via white vellum cover, this side features the analog versions of the digital effects on the reverse, including embossing and debossing and clear and holographic foil. The first difference you notice is the higher, smoother, more precisely defined tactile quality of the embossing. The deboss too, as in the star shape, is deeper. The grommet not only holds the two variations of the name badges neatly together, it also allows you to slide them apart like a swatch deck to compare the backs. Notice something? That's right. Where the traditional side is bruised on the back, the digital one is perfectly smooth. So is traditional or digital embellishment best for your work? As always, it depends on a number of factors, like your budget, your print run, the amount of time you have to work with. So talking to your printer and finishing partners early on truly is the name of the game. While these fabulous name badges used digital as well as traditional foiling options, there are several other ways in which you can add foil to your printed piece these days. Get a quick overview of all your traditional as well as digital options and download our free foil cheat sheet right now. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel, and of course it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.